Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. This is GBP pair and this is after market. Okay, I will place a layer option. I am expecting to make a rejection candle, so that's why reason I place a layer option. Let's see. So this candle closing point below my entry point. Okay. This is a rejections, so that's the reason I place a layer option. Let's see how 10 seconds only. Can see very strong rejection. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. So I'll place a layer option. This is a reversal sign, so that's the reason I place a layer option. It's a good sign of reversal. And this is a market momentum. Okay, it's a trend also. Okay, let's see, we have 15 seconds only. Okay, if you like this video, try to subscribe the channel and try to hit the like button. Okay, this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, I'll place a higher option. Okay, I'll place a higher option. I'm expecting this type of market. It's a very strong bullish candle. So next also I am expecting to make a bullish candle. It's a support level, very strong support level. So that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay. Let's see, we have checked the next pair. This is a seller's entry point. This is a buyer's entry point. This is a major level. It's break the level. I am expecting okay, very fast momentum, don't worry. Okay, we'll place some margin separated. Okay. And this is a very high volatility market. I don't know this trade, but this is a very strong selling force at this level. You can see so many selling pressure at this level. So I try to place a trade at this level, but very fast momentum, placed a trade at this below the level. Okay, no problem. This is also very strong rejection area. And this also winning trade. Why? Because previously so many sellers entry point at this level, and previously it's so many rejection at this point, this bullish candle. So that's why reason I will expecting make a rejection candle. Okay, and this also not a momentum. Sometimes are it going to without this bearish candles. Without this bearish candle, it's make a very strong momentum. There is no rejection this candle. It's make a very strong bullish candle, this type of candle. But this is a single candle enter the seller's area, so I'm expecting make a rejection. Okay, and this also winning trade. We'll check the next pair. Okay, there is no opportunity. It's a two types of situation at this. This is a market momentum. So sometimes it's going to move down, sometimes it's continue the market. Okay, very late entry. I'm expecting make a bearish candle. This is a reversal sign. Middle of the trend, some sellers make a reversal sign. So I'm expecting make a bearish candle. Let's see next buyer's entry pointed here. Okay. Maybe this seller's closing point below my entry point. Why? Because there is a minor level. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, if you want pure price action this video course, join my Telegram channel. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram channel. Okay, thank you.